Hey, how's it going, guys? Bain here, and welcome to Facebook Ads for Beginners. In today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. It's got nothing to do with Facebook ads at all. So it's actually going to be setting up a email campaign inside of Mailchimp. You might be thinking, what do I need to know this for? Well, my channel's full of things that I do on a daily basis that helps me generate an income online, and one of those things is sending out emails for my clients to their customers. So I thought, why not show that? I'm sure it'll be valuable to some people, so I thought I'd run you through it. So before I get started, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, leave me a comment if you have any questions, and let's just jump into today's video. So this is Mailchimp. If you don't know what it is, Mailchimp is a email service that allows you to send bulk emails out to people all at once, and the reason why we do that is so we can generate income. So I'm just going to log in and walk you through the whole process. So if we come over here on the left-hand side, it might look different depending on when you're logged in, but if we look over here on the left-hand side and go to campaigns, we can look at some of our previous campaigns that we've sent. So we've got over 13,000 subscribers on this email list. So the last couple emails have been, got $500 out of that one, $1,800 out of that one, 800, 900. So every time we send an email, we get $600 to $800. So it's pretty profitable. So let's just run through setting up one from scratch. So we'll come up in the top right hand corner. It says create campaign. On the left hand side here, this has recently just changed, so it might change again by the time you see this video. Go to email and then just go regular, just a normal old regular. And I want a campaign name for it. So I'm just going to copy something I made up earlier, which is this. So here's where you can decide on who to send your audience to. So I just want to send it to everyone. There's 11,800 people I can target. I think there was 13,000 on the email list, but obviously some are unsubscribed, so you can only send them to subscribers. But if you wanted to, you could come in here and you can segment them if you wanted, and you can do it by heaps of different options. So if I wanted to send it to people that recently subscribed, you could say, anyone in the last week. So let's go on a certain date. We could go a week ago. So then Mailchimp would only send it to people who subscribed a week ago. I don't really want to do that. I would want to just keep it wide open, but there's heaps of different options here. You can do it by location, email addresses, first names. You can do a whole bunch of stuff. I'm not going to run over that because it would just take too long. If you do have Mailchimp, just go through and sort that out yourself, but I'm gonna leave that just on all subscribers for this one. So I just want to hit save. Come down here, and this is from who it's going to be from. I'm going to blur all this out because I don't want the customer's details getting out there. So obviously you just put your business name and your business email address and stuff like that. The subject would be what I pasted before as the title. So yeah, Daddy's Girl, the cutest little Somersets, which is, again, this I'm just the client sells baby clothes and stuff like this, so suits really well. Preview text, I like to always just put, when I'm selling, because this is an e-com store, I just go buy now, pay later with Afterpay. That's what I always like to put, because a lot of people use Afterpay, and when they see that in an email with a little bag icon, it just catches the eye a little bit. So that's what I always put. And then we come down. This is where we actually create the email itself. So in the content, go to design email. Mailchimp has heaps of just templates already set up. So you can literally just pick one of these templates and go through, put your logo at the top, put a little bit of text, put the photo, or the text, whatever it is. They just have templates for everything. So I'm going to use, what I usually do is I just go to an old campaign that was recently sent, and I just change the products. So this is a campaign that went out recently. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use that again and just change the products in it. So change some little text up here. Might even center it, put big G, and come down here. This is where your products here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete them all so I can show you from scratch, and you can edit pretty much every setting you wanted to. So what I'll do is I'm going to delete all of them. So then we come over here and we can just go grab the little products tag. This is if you've got your e-com store directly connected to your Mailchimp account, which you should have. I might do a video on how to do that if you haven't already, but this is for people that already have this set up. If you haven't got this set up, you want me to make a video on how to do it, let me know in the comments below and I'll do that. So you just go products and then you could go use best sellers. So click that. It brings up all the top sellers. So I think this one here was in the last one, so I might leave that one out. Might have these two at the top. And again, you can come in here and you can go buy now, which I usually like to do. Buy now. I also want to do more products, so again, just grab the products, drag it, and I might actually find products that have done well online. You can go browse all your products and you just type in the product's name. So Set. I like to put buy now. Grab another one. This is the one I wanted. What I might do, I might just drag that up the top. I want this at the top. So this is the one I wanted. And again, you could add heaps of different cards in here. So a card like this, creative assistant. Let's go browse, see what we've got in here. Let's just pick one, just as an example. So that's pretty cool. But they can't click that unless you put a link on it. So there's a link there, and then you can put the URL there. And also you can do stuff like put a button underneath it, say buy now, and then put the URL to that product, which I might do. That's a pretty cool product. I just don't know the name of it, so it'd be pretty hard to link that. So that's one option of what you can do. But just, if your Shopify store is connected to your Mailchimp, the easiest way is just to grab the product, put it in there like that, and then just browse the store for the name. But what I might do is use best sellers. And you can change the color and stuff like that of the buttons too by coming in the style. You can make the buttons black, pink, whatever color you want it to. I'm just going to leave them on blue because they tend to go well in the last email, so I'm going to leave it as is. And you can also change like the button width, so you can make the buttons smaller and wider and stuff like that. Let's do this a couple more times. Let's get some more products. Obviously, you're not seeing what I'm doing, but I'm going back to my Shopify store, getting the name of the items and coming back and just simply typing them in here. And I might leave it as that for now. So very basically, that's all you really need to do. Throw some products in there. Let's just do 2 more, eh? Let's do 2 more. And obviously, you can link your social media accounts by simply coming here, social media, and obviously, and then you come on the right hand side and you copy paste the links to your social media accounts here, which I'm going to do in a sec. And then down the very bottom, once you put your social media accounts in, down the very bottom, you can do your your little footer. What I usually do is I get rid of this, I get rid of that. I'll just change these here. I get rid of that too. So keep it nice and simple. And that, to be honest, is all you really need to do to send a basic email and generate, a couple $100 pretty easily. I might just put this at the top. Obviously, this is a mailing list of 13,000, so it's pretty big. But once you start to generate sales on your e-com store, your customers automatically get added to this list. So then the people that have seen this email have already bought from you, so they're a really hot audience, and they're pretty likely to buy again. That's why you generate a pretty good income from these emails. So if you just do one of these a week, which is what we tend to do, you can obviously do a lot more if you wanted to. But it's a quick couple $1,000s a month for sending some emails. So, and then I'll just come in here. Just going to send it out, so you know how it works. Continue. And you can either schedule it for later or you can send it straight away. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to send it straight away. You come in here and you can schedule it for this afternoon or tomorrow morning or whatever like that. But I'm just going to send it straight away. Just hit send, and that's going to go out to nearly 12,000 people straight away. Yeah, so that's it for that video, guys. Hopefully you get some value out of that. Just one of the things I do on a daily basis that helps my customers generate income. So yeah, hopefully you found that valuable. If you did, feel free to share it with a friend. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment below if you have any questions, guys. And I'll see you on another video. Thanks, guys.